What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're putting an SX guide on this 2025 Sierra 450. Designworks Factory Edition SX Rear Chain Guide was developed for SX and MX track riding. This chain guide includes new mounting hardware, an ultra compact and slim body, and almost 10 grams of weight saving over the already very light stock guide. Our industry-leading plastic formula RMS return memory system absorbs impacts and returns to center. Friction-reducing additives and UV protection eliminate color fade. Our SX chain guide is a great replacement for the OEM chain guide as it is less expensive than stock, providing more durability.